Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Chef David and Buster. I have a few clips I want to show you of the food that we made last night for the Party of 200 open house. We couldn't have asked for it to go any better. They loved the food. They loved everything about it. It was a great night. A little bit tired. That's why I'm drinking my coffee. But we had fun. Anyway, let's get to it. Prepping these little canopies. You know, the stuffed jalapeno with cream cheese wrapped in bacon. That's what this filling is. It's a preparation for a catering party today for 200 people. We got these pre-made tarts, and I'm just putting a scoop of that filling in it, and then we'll bake it. And after baking it, this is what it'll look like. Little yummy bites. This is the fruit platter I had to make. All fresh fruit. Dragon fruit, oranges, kiwi, pineapple, blueberries, cantaloupe, honeydew, strawberries, and watermelon. Garnishing our salmon on crostinis. Alright, there's my apricot stuffed with goat cheese and pistachio. Spaghetti squash, Greek style. There's my skewers. With some awesome salami. Cracker plate. Our beautiful display for cheese. And our salmon dip. Smoked salmon dip. And our shrimp ceviche shooters. So my table set up. The Philo. That's these. Shrimp ceviche shooters over here too. Our coconut shrimp. Our sauce for coconut shrimp is just sweet chili cream. And then our beef Wellingtons. Look at that. Ready to go. All our desserts. Fresh fruit. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see what I come up with on the next one. Thank you for watching. Aloha.